Tonight in the garage, we're going to open up the package just received back from Batee Corvette. They have rebuilt the gauge cluster in my 1991. And I'm going to be honest, it looks so far like a work of art. We're going to see what happens when we plug it all in. Corvette's been sitting here a wreck covered in dust because I decided it'd be a great idea to practice my woodworking skills the other day on my sander. This hole right here is where we're going to put the gauge cluster back in just a moment, and then we'll continue the video. There are 4 bolts to hold your display in. 2 located on the bottom, and then 2 located right up here by the top. They are easily found, but they are hard to get to. Always treat your gauge cluster nice and easy. Remember, the Corvette is a lady. Our lady is a little down on love. I'm excited, a little giddy even. I was told that this thing has 77,000 miles on it, and we're about to find out the real truth. Ooh. Now, I'm not sure how that's supposed to read, but that reads 7,882. Not 78,000, unless this thing is supposed to read a little differently, which means that this car could very well be an almost new vehicle. That would be a horrible, horrible, horrible thing. Let's see if it starts. Starts. She runs. She has no fuel gauge. Do any of the buttons work? Oh, wow. The range is very low. My instant mile per gallon says I'm getting 0. My average is 0. My odometer is not talking to me. Oh, very interesting. I think we're going to leave it at that tonight.